Good morning, first graders, and welcome back to school. Now that you're in the first grade, you will have so much more to learn. We will start by recalling what you already know. So let's recall the place value of numbers. So tell me, what do you remember? What is place value of a number? The place value of a number is the value of each digit in a number. The place value of single digit numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 is very easy to identify, as the value of the ones is same as the number. However, it gets a little tricky when there are more than one digits in a number, like the number 10. 10 has two digits, 0 in the ones and 1 in the tens, and they both have different values. Let's understand place values. Quiz time! Keep your thinking caps on and remember you can pause the video if you need more time to think about your answer. What is the value of ones in the given number? Look at the number or count the number of ones blocks. Well done! There are 5 ones in number 15. Count the blocks and identify the value of ones and tens in the total number. Superb! There are 2 tens and 3 ones in number 23. Count the houses and identify the value of ones in the total number. There are 22 houses. What is the value of ones? Good job! There are 2 ones in number 22. Count the monsters and identify the value of tens in the total number. You are absolutely right. There are 2 tens in 24. What is the value of tens in the given number? Well done. The value of tens in 23 is 20. Brilliant job, first graders. Now you can identify the place value of tens and ones in numbers in worksheet number 1. See you soon next time. Happy learning!